Hey guys, so we have a new video here, and in this one we're going to break down one of the most successful Shopify stores, and it's Kylie Cosmetics stores by Kylie Jenner. This is going to be super useful for all of you who are running an e-commerce store, because you're going to pick up some advices that you can apply to your e-commerce store to increase your conversion rate, average order value, profit margin, and all these advices are applicable to all the niches. Doesn't matter if it's cosmetics or apparel or outdoor or whatever. So this is going to be a super useful one. Of course, a lot of success for her brand comes from her personal branding, but nevertheless she still invests a lot in her e-commerce brand, and this video is going to cover what are things that you can learn from her and apply to your e-commerce store. So without further ado, let's get straight to the thing. So the first thing that I wanted to cover for this video is on her product page. When you scroll a little bit below, you can see that she has this section which says real results. So why this thing is kind of different from usual things we see on Shopify store. So there are two ways that you can state benefits from products that your customers receive. The first one is you claiming the benefits, so by your copywriting, images and all that stuff. And the second way, which is way more powerful, is by stating the facts that you gather from your customers, and that's what she does. So you can see in this section she has the real results section, and for each benefit of this product she states what's the percentage of people that found this product beneficial in what aspect. So for example, 94% agree that makes their lips more shiny. And she does this very good because she doesn't state it's 100%, because 100% is not a realistic thing. It's the same thing as you will show only positive reviews on your website. And for that reason, this is super important thing on your product page, because somebody who is on this product page, they're walking through the product page and they see these facts which are objectively true. And that's the only thing that matters. It's not the copywriting technique, it's not some sales trick and stuff. She simply put out the facts that her customer said, and that way she's increasing her conversion rate, because she's just channeling what her customers say about her product, and it's pure facts of this product, basically the benefits of this product. So you can see for each benefit how many people have agreed on this, and on the bottom she states that it's 28-day consumer test on 34 women between how many years old that have used this product up to 5 times a day. So which makes this statistically significant, right? So this is super important thing. The second thing that she does that I see many of you e-commerce owners don't do, even the 7-figure or even 8-figure brand owners, is that when your visitors add your product to the cart, and let's add this product to the cart, your cart drawer is looking empty, and that way you're just not using the real estate of your cart drawer, which you could use to increase your average order value and therefore increase your profit margin. So we have applied this technique that I will show you across many of our client stores, and we have seen very good increase in average order value and in gross profit. So for this reason, you should really use your cart drawer to optimize your purchase flow to increase your average order value. So let's see how Kylie Jenner does this. So she offers a free shipping above $40, and she shows that visually. As you can see here, you're only $2.5 away from free shipping, and there's a visual cue of that. And what she does here is she offers some upsells that you can easily add to your cart, and that way reach that free shipping threshold. So this works very well because people love free shipping, and if you give them an easy option to reach that free shipping with some upsells that are related to the initial product that they have added, it's a very good tactic to increase your AOV and gross profit. So for that reason, you should use your cart drawer to increase your average order value. Don't leave it empty as it is, because this is a very good place to increase your AOV and profit margin. So that's the second thing. And one another thing that I wanted also to point out that is not within these 3 things but is super useful is that when you're on her product page, just take a look at the whole product page without focusing on any element at all. You can pause this video and do this, and after a few seconds just realize which element brings the most attention to your eye, to your conscious mind, and you will realize that the element that is bringing the most attention to your mind is the add to cart button. And this is super important because she has managed to create her color palette so that the add to cart button stands out on her product page, and that way customers unconsciously know what is the next step that they should do on her product page, and it's really easy to find it and click on it so they can continue with their purchasing flow. So yeah, and the third thing that I wanted to discuss regarding her Shopify store is the email marketing thing, and is her welcome email sequence. I see many of you guys don't have the welcome email sequence, which is a huge mistake, because this is the most profitable flow that you can have on your Shopify store. It's basically revenue on autopilot, and for all of you that have the welcome email sequence, most of you guys are overcomplicating it. When somebody opts in for your welcome email email sequence, usually with some incentive like 15% off or $1 off discount, they opt in on your welcome email sequence to get that discount. So a lot of you guys are overcomplicating this, and let's see how Kylie Jenner does this so you can understand the best practice of this thing. When you scroll a bit down, you just see welcome to Kylie Cosmetics, enjoy 15% off your next order with the code below, and there's a code Kylie15, shop now. That's it. The whole purpose of your first email, of your welcome email sequence, is just to give them that discount that they want. And if they don't buy from you from that first email, that's when you can do a bit of social proof, you can do a bit of brand storytelling and all that stuff to introduce them to the brand. But the first email, just give them that discount that they're looking for and don't complicate things. Make this very simple, just like she does it. And you can see below you, they have some categories listed there, images, all these things. Value proposition, super important thing to have across all your emails on the bottom so your customers can understand your offer more easily. And that's it. Like, there's nothing too complicated. Give them that first discount that they're looking for and make them purchase from you, make them place that first order. And if they don't do, that's when you can start with the brand storytelling and all these things that will convince them to buy from you. So that's it for this video. Her brand is doing 8 figures and she's applying some of these best practices for e-commerce brands. And if you'd like us to apply the best e-commerce practices for your brand on your meta ads, for your conversion rate optimization, and for your Klaviyo email marketing, reach out to me in the link below so we can get started with the process of improving your e-commerce business. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this, and see you in the next one.